Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you the secret to making the ultimate healthy snack. Perfectly crispy sweet potato fries right in your own oven. The secret is a precision chop. If your fries are all the same size, they will finish cooking at the exact same time. Now, give them a cold bath. Soaking for 30 minutes removes surface starch, ensuring that perfect crunch later on. Pat them dry, then toss with cornstarch and spices. This creates a thin, invisible barrier that crisps up beautifully in the heat. Give them space on the tray. Into a hot 425-degree oven they go, until they're golden and gorgeous. Look at this victory! Crispy, healthy, and delicious. One for me, and a well-deserved treat for my favorite sous chef. Dig in!